Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you how to translate PDF document to any language of your choice using Gemini AI app. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Gemini app. After you open up your Gemini app, go ahead and click on this plus sign right here. Go ahead and click on Files. Then go ahead and navigate to Documents. Then go ahead and select your PDF file. So I'm going to use this particular PDF file right here. Having selected the PDF file, go ahead and ask Gemini to extract the text. Can you please extract the document? Hit send. Just like so, in a few seconds, it's going to extract everything in the PDF file, just like what you see right here. Depends on the number of pages and the number of information you have in the document. Having extract all the text, next thing you want to do is to see how we can translate from the original text in the PDF to any other language. For that, click on Ask Gemini right here. I will just say, can you please translate the above text to Chinese language and send. Then you have the results in a few seconds. Everything here is being translated into a Chinese language right here. The more you scroll down, the more you see the outcome result right here. Then you can go ahead and ask to translate to another language. You click on here. Can you please translate the above text to Hindi? Let's check it out. Hit send. Just like what you see right here, everything is being translated into Hindi language right here. And one great thing about this is that you can also listen to the translation result in audio. And for that, what you want to do is to come to the top right here, simply go ahead and click on here and then listen to the translation in audio. Just like so. It's that simple. You can go on and translate your PDF file to whatever language of your choice. For more useful tutorials like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.